Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Binance to TradingView in 2026. For that, either on your PC or in your mobile device, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Then log in into your TradingView account if you haven't already. Over here, you will see this type of search icon here on the top. So simply click on this search icon. Then among the given tabs here on the top, select the option of crypto. Afterwards, you just have to launch the chart of that particular cryptocurrency in which you want to basically add the Binance chart. So here, let's say I want to launch the BTC chart. So I'm going to be clicking on the launch chart option right next to BTC. Now, once you do this, you will see this type of BTC chart in front of you. Now, when you are here on this page, simply just hover over to the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Then click on the option of trading panel. When you click on it, you are going to see a bunch of different brokers which are basically trusted by TradingView. So here, as you can see, we don't see Binance in this list. So click on the option of show all brokers. And now, as you can see, we have a lot of Forex and crypto brokers available. Now, among this list, we want Binance. So use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then when you type Binance, you are going to see its icon over here. When you just click on it, it will ask you for connecting your Binance account with it. So when you click on the option of connect, it is going to redirect you in a new tab, basically on the login page of Binance. So here simply provide your login credentials, then click on the option of authorize and your Binance account will be connected to TradingView in no time. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.